text-to-speech program. Welcome to the Event and Age Tracker application. In this video, we'll walk through this all-in-one tool built with Streamlit, which helps you manage events, calculate ages, set reminders, and more. Let's dive in. To access the application, enter the password in the sidebar to unlock all features and ensure data security. First up is the event management page. Here, you can add, view, and delete events. Simply select a date, enter an event name, and choose if you'd like a reminder set for 1 day or 1 week before the event. All events are securely saved so you can easily revisit them later. To delete an event, choose from the list of added events and click Delete Event. And if you're looking for a specific event, try the search feature to find it instantly. Next, let's calculate your age. Just enter your date of birth, and we'll show you your age in years. You can even view a history of previous calculations. Additionally, you can calculate and compare ages between two dates of birth. The Reminders page lets you set quick reminders. Type in a note, click Add Reminder, and it's saved. You can view all reminders on this page at any time. On the Statistics page, we visualize your event data. You'll see the number of events on each date and a breakdown of event reminders in a pie chart, helping you get a clear picture of your schedule. Finally, we have the Astrology section. Enter your date of birth, and we'll tell you your astrological sign. Thank you for watching. We hope this event and age tracker makes organizing your life easier. Try it out, and don't forget to subscribe for more Streamlit projects like this.